In this procedure, we will be replacing the rooftop filter grill on a Furrion air conditioner. The tools required for this procedure are an electric drill and a Phillips bit. First, remove the screws in the front of the air conditioner. Next, remove the screws in the rear of the air conditioner. Then, remove the screws on both sides of the air conditioner. Now you can remove the rooftop cover. Next, remove the screws attaching the filter grill to the air conditioner. Now you can remove the filter grill. Install the new filter grill by sliding it in between the tabs on the air conditioner. Next, install the filter grill screws. Install the new rooftop cover, making sure the rear overlaps the filter grill. Install the screws attaching the rooftop cover to the air conditioner. This completes the rooftop filter grill replacement procedure.